Good morning and welcome back to my channel Venkata Circuit Vibe. Today's video is on second part of the seminar topics. Okay, latest. Okay, in uh, two more domains. In the like, you can say that these are under uh, cloud. CSC students also will do. Okay, and EC also can do. Okay, we'll see this under machine learning and actual data science under data science and which are related. Okay, that is augmented reality and virtual reality on of IoT with respect to IoT. So first one is virtual reality headsets which are HMDA. You can tell on this topic. Okay, how these headsets for VR applications are made and how this technology is working. Take an example and you can tell about the headsets under virtual reality. Similarly, we have other companies like Google VR, okay, for virtual reality, how this Google company has a. Similarly, we have NVIDIA NGX systems, okay, which offers this virtual reality. You can discuss about this technology. Similarly, we have HoloLens devices for how generally this is for most for three-dimensional viewing, okay, for real-time virtual real-time applications, okay, which comes under computer graphics. Almost this all computer graphics, okay. Similarly, reimaging reality, triple IoT, okay, reimaging reality, where these technologies may be available as virtual machines under cloud, okay, using IoT. How this is done. Similarly, virtual machines, what are digital twins? In virtual reality, what do you mean by digital twins? Okay. Similarly, 3D vertical computer graphics. How this will work? You can discuss. So these are the topics under virtual reality and augmented reality. Generally, this is the concept how they work. We have to discuss. Okay. So this second topic is under image processing, okay, in cloud computing. Okay, we know that data is stored in the cloud computing. Okay, so how this should the data when you are transferring to the cloud. Okay, now safety how we have to maintain. Okay, using that is security using water different encryption algorithms. Okay, so here we are discussing some we can discuss watermarking, digital watermarking, where on the images watermark image will be sent using DWT and SVT. Okay, or you can describe any other encryption algorithms which is more second. Examples under this are Shamit's secret sharing encryption scheme which is used for multimedia data over cloud. Okay, this is one of the algorithms, okay, for security encryption over the cloud. How this is working, you can show this. Similarly, one more is Chinese reminder theorem, CRT encryption algorithm for image over cloud. Same thing like this, we have one more called permutation of BIMER, POB, encryption over cloud servers. Okay, how this algorithm is working for encryption, you can discuss on this. So which okay, and one some more on security, IO security. We can discuss what is technography, all this. Okay. Then one more domain is the blockchains. Okay. So blockchains in IoT, how they are there, and blockchain based software defined IoTs. Similarly, blockchain based wireless sensing network. How this topology or architecture is there. You can take under blockchains. The last one is the machine learning and neural networks because this comes under data science. Okay, how how to design a model, okay, or how to model a system using these algorithms. Okay, So this is under neural networks, that is convolution neural networks. What is convolution? How models, how the data is there, how to do all these things. Similarly, deep CNN also is there. This is one of the model of neural networks which is called VGG19 model of neural networks. You can discuss these models similarly like this: YOLO, GoogleNet, ResNet, Xsumption, AlexNet. These are all some of the models under neural networks. You can discuss how systems are built using this technology or using this neural network machines. Similarly, one more is in machine learning, what is SMOT. So we can discuss what is machine learning, what is the architecture, how this will work, what are SVC, KNN decision trees in this. Similarly, we can in machine learning we have built libraries called pandas and numpy. Okay, these are the libraries which are there under machine. You can discuss this pandas and numpy, which are used for doing our machine learning algorithms. So you can discuss all the built-in functions that are there in pandas and numpy and its applications when these functions are used. This is also very important because for data analyzing in the cloud they use machine learning. So how to program your or how to process the data, either maybe audio, video, images, all this. Okay, and quickly give a decision for decision making. And all this we use the machine algorithms. So for that we should know what is pandas numpy in the machine learning. Okay, so that's all in this. Okay, so these are some more topics under this, and you can discuss even on IoT different types, Internet of Everything, IoE. Similarly, industrial Internet of Things, which is called Industry 4.0. This IoT are classified under different categories. Then Internet of Medical Things, all how the medical devices are connected, how the industrial processor is automatic controlled on the cloud. Similarly, wearable devices, okay, how they are collected. Similarly, IoT security, LoRaWAN, malware. This is under different IoT types. Similarly, triple I reimaging under virtual reality. Okay, so this all you can tell as some more topics on the seminar. Okay, so these are the some of the topics for seminars. Okay, latest for whether it may be IoT, cloud, machine learning, or virtual reality. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you. Please like, do, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment. mm, uh, in which field you want more topics, please let me know. Okay, so that I can deeply study some more algorithms in that corresponding topic. Thank you.